Hello my friends, welcome to today's video. This is going to be so much fun. We're going to distance test these 3 golf carts all at the same time. We're going to take them out on the desert, but we're going to make 3 separate videos of them. Each cart will have its own video, but we're going to drive them all at the same time. So this is going to be so fun. So here on the EZGO, we are going to test how far this battery will go. We're running a Lithium 38.4 volt, 100 amp hour battery. We've been using this battery for a few months now. We've had it in this cart. We've been driving all over. It's been working great. This battery does not have Bluetooth capabilities, so I've hooked in this Victron Smart Shunt, and this is going to give us real-time data on what the battery's doing. So we can test how many amp hours we use, how much it's drawn as we go. This will be real fun. Okay, we're at 100% charge. I have disconnected the solar panels, and I've reset the Victron Smart Shunt, zeroed it out. This cart is ready to rock.
Sun's high above in the open sky. Sand and circuits race as we go by. Lithium battery drive across the sunlit sand. How far can we travel in this unknown land? Miles to go in our electric quest. Pushing the limits, putting hearts to the test. Engines purr with power in the desert glow. Clusters of cacti as far as we can go. Maps are just lines, we create the path as we ride the horizon with a fearless wrath. Lithium battery drive across the sunlit sand. How far can we travel in this unknown land? Miles to go in our electric quest. Pushing the limits, putting hearts to the test. Starlit dreams as night starts to set. Winding down pathways we will never forget. In the valley of silence we found our place, guided by the stars in this vast open space. From dusk till the dawn we continue on race, defining connections in this savage embrace. Journey unwritten, yet here we stand, forging our future on this electric land. Lithium battery drive across the sunlit sand. How far can we travel in this unknown land? Miles to go in our electric quest, pushing the limits, putting hearts to the test.
All right, so we are at 90% on the battery. We've used 11 amp hours so far. So that's the hardest climb. See how much further we go.
Driving through the desert under the sun's bright rays. In our smooth lithium cart we cruise the sand's fine glaze. Winds blow warm kisses across the barren land. A sunny day adventure with you, hand in hand. Sunny days, wide open skies across the desert plains where freedom lies. Feel the wind as it softly calls on this endless road. Our spirit never stops. Tumbleweeds dance with the breeze and song, wheels in sync with a world where we belong. Cacti stand guard as we pass them by. Destinations far yet so close to the sky. Sunny days, wide open skies across the desert plains where freedom lies. Feel the wind as it softly calls on this endless road. Our spirit never stops.
Here we are. So the EZGO here is at 78% right now. So that lead time's doing pretty good. We've got 24 amp hours used. How many miles are we at? 3? Okay, so we've gone 3 miles. Just getting started. Okay, we are 8 miles onto the drive, 47% battery. We have used 58 amp hours. So just barely over half the capacity of the battery. But the reason we stopped here is because the first time I drove this cart over here on this drive on lead acid batteries, this is as far as we made it. We pushed those batteries so they would not even move anymore, and this is as far as we got it. So this battery here is amazing. This is gonna go way further than a lead acid battery, and this thing's $7.99. It's cheaper than a lead acid battery, and it's gonna get you way further down the road. Checking for some heat, everything feels, as far as wires and everything feels good. That controller has definitely got some heat in it, but we're still moving along. That's pretty cool. 8 miles, we're gonna keep on trucking. All right, here we are. We are at the 10-mile mark, and we're at 35%. So this car is definitely going to have to turn around and go back at this point. 71 amp hours used, but 10 miles, that's pretty good. This is the 36-volt battery at 100 amp hours. It doesn't have the same capacity as these other two carts, so this is really good. I'm happy with what it's doing. All right, we made it back to where the EZGO is. We've got 30% on this battery. We've gone just over 14 miles altogether, so we've got 10 miles to go. This one still has 45% battery. Can you believe that? And it's charging right now. It's insane. It's gonna go forever. The plan now is we're just gonna keep going down the road. As each cart runs their batteries dead, as we drive back, we'll stop and we'll turn on the panels and talk about how far they went. All right, here we are. We're at 22% on the club car. EZGO's at 20%. What are you at, Thomas? 38. 38 on the Enforcer with that solar panel. It's insane. Forget about it. It's just going to go forever. But look at all these dogs. They are tuckered out. They're all catching rides now. So funny. Even Cisco is riding. He's the one that really does not like to ride on these carts. But he's tired enough now. Oh, we'll just keep going. Oh, how many miles are we at?
We're at 17.
We're at 17 miles. All right, keep going. There you go. EZGO died. We made it. How many miles did we make it? Check. 21? That's pretty good. 21 miles on the lead time here. 97 amp hours is what we got out of this battery. So almost to the 100, which, you know, the way we're abusing them, that's pretty impressive. Power was completely off. There was no power in here. I put a voltmeter on it. Nothing. Plugged in the solar panel, brought it right back to life. It is charging now at 128 watts. Isn't much. We're late enough in the day that we're not getting much on the panel. That's pretty impressive. That is definitely worth the money. I would recommend it to anyone that's looking for a quality, low budget battery for your golf cart. It definitely did perform. Thanks, everybody. Check out our adventure channel, Solar Powered Adventures. We take these carts all over the place and we drive them. We go check out old mine shafts and plane crashes and all that kind of stuff. Thank you so much for watching. There's links in the description for this battery, and we'll catch you all in the next video.